Trixie here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a bracelet. So what you've got to do is grab a rubber band, put it through a finger, and then twist it once so it'll be like that, and then it'll be like that. Then you put one above it, and then you grab the other one from underneath, like right here, and then you grab it, stretch it, pull it up and over, and you do that for the other side too. And then you push this next one down, and then you put the next one over it. Then you grab the bottom one, put it up, over, then put this one, and then put whatever color you want, up, over, and you just keep repeating that. So, wait, let me find it. Where did it go? I don't know where it went. I'll find it soon / after the video. And then you keep doing that with most of your things. I'm kind of a pro at it, so, and you just keep doing it over and over again until it's long enough to fit around your wrist. So how you know it's long enough is when you can stretch it like all the way down to your finger and put it like all the way to your wrist, but you can always take them off again. So yeah. Okay guys, after you have your bracelet done, I kind of skipped to the end. You gotta grab a clasp. So don't move the thing, okay? Now you knew what you had an idol. Guys, I want to show you that I have lightning powers after this. It's actually so cool. Don't let the show keep it all inside your obsession. He's our connection. I have your idol stuck in my head from K-pop Demon Hunters. And then there you go, you have a bracelet. So what you want to do is just like grab the first one that you like twisted. So you put it on, and then you put it, and then you like try and make it small, and then you put it through there. Then you grab the last one and try and put it through, and try and put both of the sides through there, okay? So that's the video, and I need to show you that I have lightning power. I am a god. Lightning will show up right now. Yup. Okay then. I am a god. It's actually crazy. Right now. Yep. Bye guys.